go ahead and open this up for you and show you. You do have a very, very large firebox in here. Now, what is unique about the America is this is the only model with a steel grate in here. So this is used so you can actually cook directly in the firebox if you want it. As far as the firebox lining, the bottom is a cast iron grate, the rear is cast iron, and then you do have refractory on both sides of the stove. Your ash pan is located directly below. Below there you have a pan drawer for storage. You can store wood or pans in here. You do have airflow right here, and this is your oven control. Inside the oven, we do have a very large baking oven. It is porcelain enamel lined, which means it's very easy to keep clean. Oven clean out located on the front of the stove directly below the oven. You do have 5 levels. Now the America does come standard with 2 pans, one standard oven grate as well as an enamel pan here. You do also have an extra storage drawer located directly below. As you can see, this is shown in black, and you do have various damper controls. So this is your oven here, and then you do have 3 different controls located in the middle of the stove. On the cooktop, you do have 3 different access plates. All of them are removable rings. On each side, you do have 4 removable rings. In the center of the stove, it's 3 removable rings. Now this one is also a center vent flue. And it does have an option for a rear vent as well, which is great for masonry applications. So I do want to point out that again, this black color is a porous finish, and it's not enamel. Some of the photos do appear to have an enamel finish. So this is Sarah with Obadiah's, and again, this is the La Nordica Amera